Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, 21st of January. Where is time going? Let's do one of these Alena Light patterns just because I feel like it. Let's do that one. Whatever that one is. Then we'll decide what size paper we want to draw on. Ukrop. Look at how, oh, wow. You can't see it. You're too far away. Look at how that looks when you do it like in a tessellation, like a pattern. Like, oh, that looks really cool. Well, I like that. Okay, so you make a zigzag. Then from each of the points of the zigzag, you go upwards with, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it doesn't matter. She's just done some lines upward. Okay? And then she's put dots. And then when she did this one, she did the zigzag. And on this one, she went upward. And then on this one, she went downward? No, on this one, she went up on one side and down on the other, and then down and up. Up and down and up. That just looks really cool. I want to do that. I want to do that. What size do I want to do? What color do I want to do? I don't know. Let's do this size. Let's do a... Have we done a purple in a while? I don't think we've done a purple in a while. Let's do a purple. I'm going to give myself a little border. And I want an even number of the zigzags, right? Or does it not make any difference? Maybe it doesn't make any difference. And which direction are we going to zig? I want to zig this way. Am I zigging kind of opposite? Looks like I'm zigging kind of opposite. Oh, my zigs are too uniform. My zigs are too uniform. She's got them kind of not all the same. Let me do that better. Like that. Okay, so there's my ziggy zags. We're going to do it with a number 2. Number 2. Something like that. So then here we're going to go upward. And then on this one, we're going to go upward on this side. This one, we're going upward on this side. And then on this one, we're going upward on this side. we're just going to turn it around and go the other way. Something like that. Like some of them need to be outward a little more. Like that. Something like that. And then out here, they do just little circle dots. Looks like a wallpaper pattern. Like that. How fun is that? I think maybe I needed to make some of my things longer to fill in these spaces, but you know what? I'm going to come in here and I'm going to grab myself a white pencil, sharpen it really well. I'm going to highlight that like that. I'm going to put some other white dots in here to fill these spaces. Kind of like that. Oh, that looks like a wonderful retro pattern of some sort. I like it. Ukrop. U-K-R-O-P. It was an easy one to draw. Look at that. It was a 10-minute video. How often do I do a 10-minute video? Almost never. All right, let me write this down. U-K-R-O-P. All right. You guys go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I will see you on Friday's video, and you have a blessed day, okay? Bye-bye.